Hey guys, today we're going to be exploring the fascinating migration of the North American Canada goose. Canada goose migration can be divided up across North America laterally and vertically. Flyways denote vertical segmentation, and it is generally accepted that there are 4 different Canada goose flyways. From east to west in North America, you have the Atlantic, Mississippi, Central, and Pacific flyways. Flyways are generated for organization of species management. Geese generally migrate from as far as the lower Arctic Circle down in variable locations in the continental United States. Laterally, North America can be divided up into regions that describe in what time periods the geese reside. In the upper portions of North America, you have zones where Canada geese summer. In the middle, approximately from the United States northern border to as low as 38 degrees latitude, you have regions where some geese reside permanently. In the southernmost portion is where Canada geese strictly spend winters after migration. It is important to recognize that neither of these subdivisions are hard and fast rules, but rather general ways to interpret their behavior that is the migration of the Canada goose. The Canada goose has very differential migrations between conspecifics. As the populations increase, as does the number of residential geese that do not migrate, or migrate only short distances. Migration differs in length in a north-south direction. Some only migrate short distances across states, and some migrate thousands of miles across Canada, the United States, and into Mexico. In one study, researchers found that the average speed for a migrating Canada goose was anywhere between 65 to 73 kilometers per hour, depending on the direction and speed of the wind. In general, animal migration is theorized to be an evolved behavior that is a result of variable movement for resources over time. As the animal moves and finds additional resources, it is thought that the migration from a place of breeding to a region of more favorable habitat, then back to that favorable breeding location, gave the animal a fitness advantage. Therefore, the presumed inherited behavior is passed down from generation to generation and is conserved in the population. Now, you all have probably noticed geese during migrating seasons that fly in a very distinct V formation. This phenomenon provides a very distinct function for migrating flocks of Canada geese. As geese can migrate very long distances, it is important to conserve enough stored energy as possible. In an attempt to maximize energy efficiency, geese align themselves in these V-shaped patterns. In combination with the wingtip and the individual goose's velocity, the geese can create an upswelling of disturbed air. The goose directly behind can use this upswelling to help carry it along, sort of how cars can draft off one another in a race. During the duration of a migration, geese trade positions, being the leader of the V, as to not let one goose lose a significant amount of energy. Believe it or not, the migration of the Canada goose has a fairly large economic impact on regions along the flyway. This can be both positive and negative. Recreational hunting of Canada geese occurs along the flyways, and seasons last several months during the winter and brings in a significant amount of economic benefit. However, Canada geese along the migration route can have some detrimental impacts in the form of crop damage and property damage. And that pretty much concludes this segment for the behavior of migration of the Canada geese. Thanks for listening. Hey guys, today we're going to be exploring the fascinating migration of the North American Canada goose. Canada goose migration